guys, good evening. How are you all today? Very cold outside, I'm lazy to go out because it's cold. I feel that the cold temperature is going inside my brain when I go out 7 o'clock early evening. The wind is very cold. It's like the ice is going to your head because it's a cold temperature. It's winter time. Anyway guys, I miss you all. Very long time I did not do video every night because usually night time I'm so tired already and sleepy. I won't be able to do video. Now I just want to ask everyone, how are you all today? And before I go to bed, I just want to say have a good night's sleep everyone, and see you tomorrow. Anyway, I hope everyone is okay. We won't encounter big problem. All the problem is part of our life journey. Very cold, that's why I'm wearing this one. That thick bathrobe. I already have pajama inside, but the cold is going to my skin. You know, the hair in my skin is it's so cold outside. It's good inside, it's not so cold even though the aircon still on. Anyway guys, today is Thursday. Tomorrow is Friday. How many this weekend again? And then how many days the month of January is going to finish already? And you know, while the day is running in the week in the year is running, our age will be running also. I hope we have a great year this year. Because last year I'm struggling financially. Last year it's hard to budget because of my salary is smaller than my salary before. My salary before is in peso, 10,000 peso. Lost my former salary is higher than how many months my contract, 2 years contract is already finished. I'm planning to apply in other country. I hope and pray that God will open the door for me in other place. I want to learn a new culture. I want to see a new place. Anyway guys, good night and sweet dreams everyone. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. I miss you all and I love you. Bye.